Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error in Steam regarding the Cloud Sync conflict. So you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser, and you need to come to this website, steamstat.us. And what this website is going to do is it's just going to tell us if the Steam servers are actually operational, as sometimes there can be server outages, and it can cause this error message. So first of all, just come to this website and check there's no problems with the actual Steam servers. We can then head out of this internet browser, and if the Steam servers are all operational, this points to an issue with our actual computer systems. So let's head into the Start menu, and you need to search for Windows Defender. Then tap on the Windows Defender firewall. And on the left here where it says Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender, click that. Then you need to press this Change Settings button here. And we need to make sure we have Steam in this list of exceptions here. So as you can see, I already have Steam listed here, and you need to make sure both private and public are checked. If you can't see Steam in this list, say for instance if I just remove this for a second, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to select Allow Another App, head over to Browse, come over to your C drive, inside of Program Files x86, scroll all the way down to Steam, and inside of this folder, scroll down and you should find an executable file called Steam. Then we just need to double click on this, and we can press Add. And once again, we need to make sure both private and public are checked here. Then we can just press OK. Next thing we're going to do is actually head into the Steam application. So load up Steam. There's a couple settings we need to check in here. So press this Steam icon in the top left and come into Settings. Then head over to the Storage tab on the left here and select these three little dots, and you need to select Repair Library. This is going to check your Steam applications to try and identify any problems. But if no problems were found, then we can just close off of this window. Come over to the Cloud tab in the left here, and make sure Enable Steam Cloud is enabled. This one is super important, so definitely make sure this one is toggled on. Then if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, the last and final thing we can do is head to our Start menu and search for Settings. Come over to the Settings tab inside of Network and Internet, inside of VPN, and you need to make sure your VPN is disconnected. As you can see here, it says not connected. If it is connected, you just press this disconnect button, and that should fix any problems you're having with the Cloud Sync conflict. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.